Molly. What you doing? What you doing? You're being goofy. You gonna put that on your head? Molly's got a silly hat. Mommy's got a silly hat. Molly's got a silly hat. Oh, did you put the duck inside the bag? Is that for me? Thank you, Molly's. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, baby. Want it back? Okay, you can have it back. Can I have it? Can I have it, Molly? Oh, thank you so much. Is that for me? Oh, that's not for me. Never mind. Can I have it? Oh, thank you. Can I have it? She's still getting the hang of the whole giving thing. Hey, Molly. Molly, can I have the bag? Is that for me? She's like, no. That's new. She's been giving me stuff all day. I think she realizes it's got a handle so she can hold on to it. There we go. You putting that inside? Yeah. Are you trying to give it to me? As you can see, she is getting around just fine. Hi, Mollers. You gonna say hi to Grandma and Grandpa? And say hi? I eat the duck. I eat the duck. Someone else wants to say hi. No. Alright, Mollies. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.